Hello YouTube, welcome back to my channel. It's Carl. Today it's gonna be something special because I just received this amazing gift. It's actually for my partner. In my previous video, I was talking about how the archive Rick Owens is still relevant. One of my viewers watched that video and started chatting as well, and he was asking what size my partner is, and I was like, oh, what's going on? And he told me that he's gonna send me the Turbodrk 70s, and at first I was like, no, don't send it to me, you could just resell it, because I think there was like a sizing issue on his end, and instead of like selling it on Grailed or eBay or whatever, he would be happy to send it to me. And now here it is. So shout out to Korod and his beautiful partner, Jessica. Thank you for spending your time to send the beautiful shoes to us. It just blows my mind how people are still super kind, and this random act of kindness wouldn't go unnoticed. So thank you again, Korod and Jessica. And Korod has been really supportive since day one. Thank you so much. Lauren is very camera shy, so at the end of this video, I will be doing like a mini styling on how you can wear the shoes in a feminine or gender fluid way, whether I like it or not. Sneakers are an integral part of fashion, and many times I have found myself in a fashion distress or fashion demise because I highly object wearing sneakers because I think they remind me of gym clothes and active wear. But this is where Rick Owens comes in the picture. They release two sneakers. So one is the high tops and the other is the low cut sneakers, and actually it's amazing and it's lived up to my expectation coming from someone who's not a fan of sneakers. Yeah, also call me biased. Being a long running fan of Rick Owens, I support his works, and this collaboration from Converse is one for the books. It was a great success from the campaign down to the product itself. And also when I did a review on my channel regarding the Gethsemane collection, I was one of those who were really optimistic and excited about it because it's gonna be an avenue for the younger generation or people who are new to the Rick universe. They're kind of lucky because back in, say, like 20 years ago, if you want to experience Rick Owens, you'll have to really save up and buy the main line or the Dark Shadow line because there aren't many collaborations happening at that time. And also for people who are new to Rick Owens or who doesn't know him, the shoes were mainly seen as a clownish shoes or something ridiculous or too much or too aggressive. But for people who have seen how Rick Owens operates and how he envisions his design, this is nothing. This is just a Converse with a square toe. And when you open it, that's the pentagram symbol of Rick Owens. Comes with a dust bag. I think Korod bought it from the Rick Owens website because he got a free tote bag and he even sent it to us. And the tote bag is not the Dark Shadow, but the mainline Rick Owens tote bag. But anyway, it's a massive bag. Yeah, super massive. Along with that, pamphlet magazine lookbook type of the, pretty sure it's Phlegathon. It's from the Phlegathon Women's. I love getting stuff like this because I'm a fan of magazines and I collect magazines. This will be a great addition. These are the shoes, and these are the low top Turbodrk. And I think by now you've probably seen a lot of like YouTubers who've done a really great job at doing the review of the shoes. I'm just supplementing you guys with the styling and all that today. Amazing, and that's the prominent detail. And you know, when I first unboxed the shoes, you know me, I'm very poetic. It kind of feels like the sneakers were morphed into something strong and scary, like the shoes were in steroids or something. The shoes also had that brutalist makeover, and we all know Rick Owens, he's a big fan of everything industrial. Color-wise, they call it milk, and it's more of like a greenish, you know, eggshell, bony white. So it's not straight up white, which is kind of cool because wearing white shoes is too stark, especially if you wear like all black or monochrome outfits. And that is the tongue, the highlight of the shoes. And I just love how the elongated tongue complements the elongated toe caps, very reminiscent of the Geo baskets. It's actually bordering to heavy and solid. So this is the eyelet of the shoes, and that is the normal bumper for Converse with the contrast colors, made in Vietnam. And oh, I forgot, it comes with the black lacing. So I don't know, I actually like that it is a monochrome color because it looks more solid, and it would be interesting to change it with the black one. It's such a chore to remove all the laces, but for you guys I will change it, so stay tuned. And regarding the sizing, I'm just gonna relay what my partner told me because he's the one who wore it. He only wore it once. Usually he gets a 43 from Rick Owens. What do you call this? It's the sneaker boots sock thingy. I will definitely link down the proper name of the shoes. I'm so sorry. And also he's got the maximal runner. It's actually, this one is a size 42 because it's massive. So this is a 42. He can wear a 42 for men's, and he can wear a 43 for like boot type things. But for the Converse, because it was sent to us, we were hoping that it was a good fit, but it is actually a great fit. According to him, it's actually the most perfect fitting shoes that he's ever worn from Rick Owens. It actually mentioned that it's a women's 11 and a UK 9, European 42.5, and this is a 42.5. If you're a 43, you can wear the 42.5. And it does have an insole. Pretty sure it's memory foam, so there's still a level of comfortability. Because I know canvas shoes is not the best regarding comfort because they don't stretch, and it's breathable, but sometimes it can get scratchy and stiff. And Laurent actually wore the sneakers around the city, and he was walking for like 3 hours or 2 hours when we went to the museum. We went out for lunch, and I was observing his gait, and I think there's nothing too different about his walking or his gait. Lucky Laurent, right? I can't still process the fact that a stranger would send me shoes. I will show you a couple of styling in my outfits, okay? So for outfit 1, I want to recreate the leather outfit that was in the campaign courtesy of Fecal Matter, and I'm pretty sure people would love to see how the Converse low tops would look like in a more body-fitting silhouette. And I actually love that the square shoes make the legs look like it belongs to an android or a piece of machine. The shoes is like a manufactured piece of engine or automaton. For outfit 2, this is inspired by, Korean outfits and K-pop idols. So this is an outfit that I'm sure is always around. A no-fail K-pop inspired look, bordering between gender fluid and 80s dressing that we see more and more from brands like YSL, Celine. So I know this looks dressy, but the fit is more languid and relaxed, which makes the Converse an added feature because the aggressive boxy look is a contrast to the whole thing. And I also love how the square toes is speaking through the fluid pants. So the blazer and the pants are from Andy Müller-Meester. For outfit 3, I want to recreate the runway looks from the Babel collection for menswear. So I'm wearing the Rick Owens Babel high-waist pants and the tank top and robot jacket. So I see this Rick Owens fit a lot, especially during the heat of summer. And I think when I think about Converse or sneakers, I instantly think about spring dressing or summer dressing. So this will be perfect because we are approaching summer in a few weeks' time. It's still windy here, and I would say the weather is still temperamental. So it would be nice to wear something like a crop jacket and to provide you warmth. So looking at the outfit, I think the shoes complement the straight semi-flared pants from Rick Owens. Also, this look is super inspired from the Babel menswear, one of Rick Owens' best collection when it comes to menswear proportion play, and the crop tops mixed with high-waist pants, the boundary pushing move from him. Outfit number 4, this is more of a soft look. So I'm wearing the Rick Owens walrus draped top with my Helmut Lang skirt. This is what I imagine myself wearing in summer. A balance of soft and drapey fabrics in monochrome or contrasting colors. And if you're someone like me who still wants to keep the avant-garde spirit alive in summer, then this is the perfect outfit. And because in the summer, everyone will be reaching out for something easy and something comfortable, the skirt and chucks would be a great tandem. And I just love how robust and aggressive looking sneakers contrast the softness of the outfit. I think it's an amazing pairing. I'm being spoiled this week because I just remembered a good friend who I followed on Instagram. His name is Vince Baguio, and I recently bought a pre-owned Radharani pants from him a few weeks ago, or maybe a few months ago. And then he sent me a gift. I'm actually wearing it right now. It's this magnetic earring. It's very heavy and I love it. It's very premium. And the other one is more sparkly. Yeah, that's amazing. And they actually handcraft them too. And I like how it complements my gray hair because it's like a greenish sage. And this is more for like nighttime wear, glam wear. Thank you, Vince, and more power to you. Outfit number 5 is the Babel top with the white pants. I have worn ridiculous shoes in the past, and this one is not even that different. If you still feel that the toes are creating too much attention, I think to offset that issue, I think wearing something wide and dramatic like a flared jeans or a white hem pants will be great. Just balance it with a tiny top, and I think a certain level of balance will be achieved. Thank you. I hope you enjoyed this styling video. And my microphone just died on me, so I'm like shouting at the top of my lungs.
With a few perfectly selected sounds, you can be taken to any time, any place on Earth. For our first stop, we find ourselves exploring the textures and timbres of the Indian subcontinent. Then we find ourselves in a geographically non-specific part of Asia. Germany. Without being cued whatsoever, willingly and synchronously burst into a raucous chorus of to the highest points.
Oh my God!
Hey baby, come on!
The lines are super ridiculous. Outfit check.
Each and every night when you're sitting at home, all alone, all alone, all alone, all alone, sitting at all alone.
If you like the video, if you find this video helpful, please like, subscribe, and share to your friends or to anyone looking into buying the Converse collaboration. Thank you, and I will see you again on my next video. Done.